Do you or a loved one suffer from itchy, dry hands? Gojo is here to save the day with their Hand Medic Professional Skin Conditioner. Whether you work with your hands, live in a dry climate, or suffer from cold Canadian weather, most people have experienced the awful feeling of dry, cracked hands. Some people consider it as a badge of honor to wear proudly. But let me tell you, you're doing yourself a huge disservice. Cracks can get so bad that they start bleeding, preventing many people from being able to work comfortably. And don't even get me started on using a microfiber cloth. This 148 milliliter tube of Hand Medic is perfect to keep handy wherever you go, whether it's in your toolbox, purse, or just in the glove box. It's specially formulated for industrial environments, as there is no fragrance or silicones added. Remains latex glove compatible, and is even NSF E4 registered, meaning it is safe to use in food processing facilities. Hate that greasy feeling many hand creams leave? Worry not, as this lotion quickly absorbs into the skin, working fast to rehydrate, preventing that gross, greasy sensation. So let's get our hands smooth and hydrated with this week's feature product, the Hand Medic Professional Skin Moisturizer from Gojo. What's your go-to cream? Let me know in the comments section. And be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date with the latest feature products. Have a great Canadian day.